Now that your R token is fully deployed, you might want to decide to mint some of its supply. Minting of R tokens can also happen through the register.app UI, and I'm going to show you how to mint using EUSD, which is an existing R token. The reason I'm not minting the just deployed R token was because I deployed on a testnet, and minting on a testnet comes with some complications. So on register.app, you go to the page of the R token you want to mint, in this case EUSD. And on the EUSD page, you have this section Mint plus Redeem. In this section, we have the available collateral. This is the collateral that's in your wallet right now and that you need in order to mint the R token. So you can see I have sufficient collateral of all these tokens. And so I can now go ahead and I can mint a maximum of $61 worth of EUSD. I'm just going to keep it simple and I'm going to mint 10 EUSD. You can see immediately the amount of collateral will be required to mint those 10 EUSD. And I can press the Mint EUSD button. Right after doing so, I now have to allow the use of collateral tokens. So I'm basically allowing Register to handle those collateral tokens for me. So I'm going to press that button. I have to sign a first transaction. And you'll notice that I have to sign a transaction for each of the collateral tokens. So in this case, 4 collateral tokens. So in total, you will have to give 4 approvals. And there we go. Now that we've allowed Register access to these collateral tokens, we can go ahead and start minting. So I'm gonna begin minting those 10 EUSD. I have to sign another transaction. And that transaction was signed. So now Register is working on minting, or the contractor minting that new EUSD supply. And you can see here, I clicked on this menu right here, the minting is now in progress. And you can inspect that transaction by going here. And you can see by now it's a success. And so I've now correctly minted 10 EUSD. Now there's one more thing I want to mention, and that is early liquidity for your R token. Obviously, right after deploying your R token, you want an easy place for people to buy your R token. And you also want some sufficient liquidity so that people can buy the amounts they want. Reserve has made significant investments in the Curve ecosystem, in tokens such as CVX, the Convex token, which allows us to vote on which Curve pools get incentivized with CRV incentives. In simpler terms, what this means is we can help you create a pool like this one. You can see the EUSD pool right here, or the high USD pool right here. And what we do is we vote on incentives for that pool. This makes it so that a high APY can be achieved on that pool by LPing, by providing liquidity on this pool. And so, to make a long story short, we can help you set up that pool and to have some early liquidity, in this case 15 million for the EUSD pool, so that people have a very easy place to trade that R token that you've just created. So if you're interested in that, please reach out to us on our Discord. The link will be in the description of this video, and ask us about early liquidity.